Alright everyone, Grail 977 is filled now that that mini's out of the way. Let's get a timestamp. 10:15 on the 20th of June, 10:15 on the 20th of June, which is WA time. I've put the list in already, so let's go back and have a look at spot number 1. We've got Deej, and down to spot 165, which is Andrew. And here we've got spot 1, Deej, and drop down to spot 165, which is Andrew. Alright, let's roll the dice. Good luck, everyone. 3 dice roll. Ooh, 6, 7, 8. Nice and short. Alright, good luck, everybody. Roll number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double check that. 6, 7, 8. So last 2 rolls. Remember, the winner hit me up and let me know which book you want, and I'll have it out in the mail tomorrow, express posted. And final draw. Good luck. Alright, don't know if anyone caught that, but let's have a look. So we've got it 8 times. 6, 7, 8 times. Drum roll. And the winner is Andrew Ho with 2 spots. I think he 2-spotted this one. Holy moly. Wow. Alright. Congrats, mate. Go out and buy yourself a lotto ticket, because that's huge. So 8 times. 8 times. And let's get another timestamp. 10:18, and the time is 10:18 on June 20th. Oh, wowee. Thanks, everyone.